Today, we are at Tint World in Longwood, Florida to see the amazing annual car show they host. Stay tuned for more of that in a future video. In this video, we speak with Stacy, who is the proud owner of a customized 1960 Volkswagen Transporter. It is truly one of a kind, and I had to have a closer look.
Stacy,
Nice to meet you, Stacy.
Actually, look familiar. I don't know
So, what are we standing in front of?
It is a 1960 VW Transporter, which is the pickup version of the bus.
So, this looks like you rebuilt the whole thing by hand right here.
It's been completely reconstructed. This is a stock 1600 cc motor, nothing fancy. It just has some bling on it just to look good, but it's not a powerful motor, nothing like that.
This paint looks absolutely immaculate.
Oh, thanks.
I assume it sits in a garage a lot.
Well, I have to keep it garage, but no, I drive it.
You only take it to shows?
It shows, drive it around once in a while just for fun. Get ice cream, things like that.
It's an absolute work of art. I mean, the wheels, the tires, it's the whole thing.
Oh, thank you.
All the chrome.
Yeah, the bed was the idea for the bed was to take front fenders from a Beetle and just basically reconstruct a truck bed, shorty truck bed based on an old 1950 or 60 step side pickup. But if you notice, these are the headlights and the blinkers from. This is a fender off of a 74 Beetle.
I see.
Yeah, the front fenders.
Because it looks absolutely completely custom. So I'm looking at this, and that's why I didn't know what it was, because I've never seen anything like it at all.
I guess you could call it, it's a 2020 Volkswagen BT. BT would stand for the fabricator who did all the work on it.
I see.
His name is Brock Tillman, and so I call it a BT.
Is he here in Florida?
Yeah, Tavares.
Oh, Tavares, okay.
Tavares, Florida.
This wooden wheel is just unreal.
Now,
it looks like the wheel off a ship.
Now, my boss is a master craftsman, woodworker,
I
everybody.
see.
He did, so we repaneled the wood. We basically just reconstructed the steering wheel and put wood. That's bird's eye maple and walnut. Same thing with the door panels. It's all out of raw stock wood.
Look at this armrest.
All raw, out of raw stock wood that that was a big block of wood I sanded down.
Wow.
And clear coated, and then the dash was all custom as well. The original owner had cut a big hole in the dash for a different stereo.
Right.
So instead of restoring it to original, we decided, hey, it's all custom. Let's go ahead and put a custom dash, and Brock did a great job. This is all steel, no fiberglass, 100% steel. And then the front bumper as well is all custom. It needed some work on the front end, so we decided to make a custom bumper to match the...
It's so clean. I mean, it's just absolutely immaculate. I mean, even the windshield wipers don't look like they've ever been used.
Yeah.
Does it go out in the rain at all?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. As a matter of fact, first 2 car shows I went to, it was raining pretty bad, so...
How did you acquire it?
So, well, I guess it goes back to, I have a lot of hobbies that I like to do, and so a friend of mine was telling me, you need to get an old classic car and restore it. That way you get to do some upholstery work, you get to do some motor work, you get to do metal work, or, all the stuff that I like to do. And so I ended up thinking back to high school. I always wanted a little VW Shorty, the short bus. I always wanted a little short bus, and, well, frankly, I found this on the samba.com for sale. It was a shortened transporter. And it's just a like a chat forum for people that like V-dubs.
Okay.
To clean all the body.
Oh my God. That was a Mustang, everybody, just so you know. Of course, Stacy, this is an absolute mind-blowing. I've never seen anything like it. I don't think I'll ever see anything like it again. Thank you for talking about your car with us, Stacy. This is Frank from Car Story, and this is Stacy, what is amazing.
A 1960 Volkswagen Transporter.
You heard it from Stacy himself.
Customized.
And you heard that Viper.
Yeah, there you go.
You know you heard the Viper.